In a brisk parade through history, the tale centers on a seemingly tiny nuisance that changed a siege the way a rumor can topple a fortress. A clever commander exploited a mundane habit of enemy scouts to trigger chaos, exploiting sounds and timing to sow doubt and slow advance. The tactic worked by turning a routine alarm into a forest of misreads, allowing the besieged to slip through with supply lines intact and morale surprisingly high. The episode highlights how restraint, timing, and a dash of humor can tilt a battle without drawing swords. History proves genius often hides in small, humorous details.